Hey guys, Janie Terrazas here, the Mindfulness Coach. I wanted to leave everybody with a little mindfulness tip since there's a lot of chaos and a lot of anxiety and fear and stress swirling around the world. And now more than ever, it's really important for us to be aware, self-aware, self-accountable, and responsible for how we're showing up in the world, with ourselves, how we're taking care of ourselves, and how we're showing up and treating other people. So this is a really cool thing that can kind of assist you in pausing, and it's called S.N.A.P. Okay, to help you snap out of it. S, you stop. Okay, just stop and breathe. Breathe in through the nose, and then out through the mouth for a count of 4. Hold it for 4. Release it for 4. Try that for a little bit there. And as you're doing that, notice what is going on. Notice what's going on around you, what triggered you. But more importantly, notice what's going on inside of you. That's what you want to do. You want to go inward and notice, oh, my throat is tight, or my heart is beating faster than normal. I'm clenching my jaw and my fists. Notice what you're thinking and feeling. So there's like the felt senses that are going on in the body, and then there's thoughts that you're having, and then there's emotional responses that you're having. And being able to identify these emotions is also really powerful. So the more expansive your vocabulary is when it comes to emotions, the better off you are. You see, the mind can't be thinking about 2 things at the same time. So instead of focusing on the external trigger, you get to go inward and go kind of do like a self-analysis, a self-scanning. And just by doing that and bringing awareness to what's going on inside of you is a very powerful tool and a powerful gift that you can give yourself. So that's notice. A, accept what is going on. Allow yourself the space to feel what you're feeling, but you can choose to respond versus react. That's where the P comes in. You want to proceed with kindness, proceed with awareness. And that's a cool little tool that you can use. There's another one that I really love. It's called STOP. S, stop, to take a breath. Or actually S, stop. T, take a breath. O, observe what's going on inside and around you. And then P, proceed with kindness. So either of them will work. And I hope that you guys will try using this tool. And it takes practice, but if you use it enough times, it becomes second nature. Have an awesome day. To be a part of my mindfulness community, visit my website and connect with me at Janie the Mindfulness Coach.